Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can find and check your MemeFi token on your OKX wallet. So many persons are actually finding it hard to actually see their MemeFi token that has been deposited into their OKX wallet. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can find it, and it's very easy. Just make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, do well to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, now the first step you have to take now is to open your OKX wallet. As you can see here, here's the home page of my OKX wallet. Then what you have to do next now is to scroll upward. So let me scroll upward now. Let me scroll upward. So guys, can see where it is written crypto. You have to make sure you select crypto. You can see crypto is already selected. Then what you have to do next now is to scroll through these cryptocurrencies. You can see here, you can see your cryptocurrencies right here. You should find the MemeFi token or crypto right here. But as you can see here, I can't find it right here because it has not yet been added up here. So guys, now for you to add the MemeFi token right here, what you can simply do is to tap on the menu icon there. You can see on the right hand side the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it real quick. Then what you have to do right here is to search for MemeFi. And you can do that by tapping on the search icon at the top. So let me tap on it real quick. So guys, what you have to do next now is to type in MemeFi. So let me type in MemeFi, MEMEFI. So guys, can see MemeFi right there. You can see the MemeFi logo. You can see the network. The network is you. So guys, now for you to actually add this up to the crypto page, what you have to do is to tap on the plus icon. You can see on the right hand side. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, can see added. It has not been added to that crypto page we just left. So let me go back now to the crypto section. Let me go back now. So guys, what I'll do now is to refresh. So let me refresh this home page. Let me refresh it. So guys, can see the home page has been refreshed. So let me scroll upward now to get to the crypto page again. So guys, can see crypto is already selected. So guys, now what you have to do now is to look for MemeFi. As you can see there, you can see my MemeFi is now reflecting right here. You can see it has appeared. So guys, now this I can be able to find your MemeFi token here in your OKX wallet. You can see my MemeFi balance. I have 801.244 MemeFi token. You can see it right there, the arrow is pointing at it. That's the balance of my MemeFi token. So guys, now this I can be able to find your MemeFi token, your MemeFi crypto here in your OKX Web3 wallet. So guys, I've come to the end of this video, and I believe you got value from this video. If you did, do well to like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video like this one, you're gonna get notified. See you on the next upload. Bye bye. Peace.